2010 vision.
Okay.
So the way we think of Street View and the way we tell all of the data protection authorities, like think of this as a person on a car, and
yeah, we're not. It's not a telephoto lens.
No. It's somebody.
Yeah.
Those lower cameras have really good vision, like a normal person, like a young person. And then the upper one is more like an average person, a little bit worse vision than that. The R7s had about 20/40 vision.
Okay.
The R5s were about 20/60.
Okay.
And the little ladybug was about 2100. So it was. So we keep improving this. The pixel count went up because that's the kind of cameras that were available. We really didn't try to just improve pixel count. What we really did with this system was improved low light performance. So we reduced noise. We increased contrast. So all of that stuff makes our imagery more beautiful. And that's really why we iterated on this system. And then the laser radars, there's two 16-beam Velodyne pucks on there. That gives us amazing geometry. So now we can reconstruct, we can see a couple hundred meters. And so we can drive down the street and create city cores. So when you fly over in Google Maps, you see the buildings in 3D. Now we can start to serve that from the ground looking out.